gave our kitchen a full, complete makeover, and I'm really excited to share the transformation with you. My kitchen went from being dark, gloomy, and cramped to a cozy, minimal Japandi-style space that feels calm, warm, and effortlessly stylish. If you're wondering what Japandi is, it's an interior design trend that blends Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian elements. It combines the best of both worlds, creating a calm, functional, and aesthetically pleasing space. Key elements include the use of natural materials, a neutral color palette, clean lines, and a focus on functionality and comfort. In this video, I'll take you on a little tour of the finished space and give you a look at the dramatic before and after and the little details that bring it together. Before we start the tour, I'm going to show you what our kitchen looked like before the makeover. It was honestly a bit dark and gloomy. The cabinets were really deep colored, as with the dark floors, and it made the whole space feel heavy and closed in. We also didn't have much counter or storage space, and the odd-shaped island made the flow kind of awkward. We decided it was definitely time for a change. Now it's time for the fun part, the transformation. First came demolition day. We said goodbye to all the old cabinets, the odd-shaped island, and the dark flooring. The wall by the pantry and fridge came down, and then we closed it back up, keeping all the right spots for electricity and water. Drywall and a fresh coat of paint followed, making everything feel much more bright and clean. Then we started putting in the new cabinets, a cozy bench seating area, and the flooring in a warm, natural wood color. Once the countertops went in, a soft off-white color, we finished it up with a new sink, silvery chrome handles, and an electric stove that I'm absolutely loving. Here's the final look, a calm Japandi-style space that feels warm, restful, and completely us. Now I want to show you a few hand-picked pieces that we added to our kitchen to make it feel even more like home. All of these are linked in the description below in case you want to check them out for your own space. First up, these mid-century dining chairs, which are the absolute perfect match for our Japandi style. I love the combination of white linen and warm wood. The backrests are even adjustable for a little extra comfort, and they even came with protective pads to apply to the legs to keep the floor from scratching. A really thoughtful touch. We also added these flexible stove covers. They're great for filling in those tiny gaps between the stove and counter, and I love that they're made of silicone. Flexible, durable, and very affordable. For our cooking utensils, we chose these rotating holders. They come in a set of two, a large and a small, and the cork bottom protects our countertop. They spin 360 degrees, making it easy to grab whatever we need while we're cooking. To bring in some greenery without adding maintenance, we chose these faux plants. The realistic details, from the lovely hyacinth to the bamboo, add texture and life to the space, all without needing a green thumb. And last but not least, we're loving this Vigo composter. It's simple, stylish, and really eco-friendly. We love having it in the kitchen because it's odor-free, compact, and perfect for turning food scraps into rich compost for our garden. It's a really cute addition to our countertop and not an eyesore at all. All these finds help make our Japandi kitchen feel warm, functional, and uniquely ours.